Hey guys, RTT back here for that video. Guys, it looks like finally, we are getting the Samsung One UI 4.0 for the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Z Flip 3. It is now being pushed out worldwide, globally, to all markets, according to Android Police, who posted this. The person who actually went ahead and wrote the article was Basham. I'm not sure how to say the last name. I'll leave a link down below. But they went ahead and posted that, yes, now it is finally time to actually get One UI globally on this phone. Now, with the global release of Samsung One UI Stable Edition, keep this in mind, it's not the full release. This is the stabled version, which is still going to go ahead and actually be a beta, not the full exact, release of it. But it's still going to be a beta, but it's going to be a stable beta. Now, the last beta, when they tried to release this earlier on December 17th, it was bricking cell phones. It was absolutely destroying everything. They got it working under control, and they said that the major issue they had with this was actually with Google Pay. Yeah, that's really weird to hear, with the fact that they said it was bricking cell phones. But according to them, they said that the biggest issue that was actually being done was that they had the Google Pay system was not working with the Samsung One UI on Galaxy Z Fold 4s and also on Z Fold 3 and Z Flip 3s. It wasn't working. So they had to go ahead and go in there, fix it, get a patch from Google, and then they're able to go ahead now and roll it out. So again, like I said, not sure what's going on there. It's also, we're also getting a December update with that. So if you did not enroll in this beta and you do not have Samsung One UI 4.0, you are also getting a December update. At this moment in time, we do not know all the information about that December update. But you know what? This at least is good that we're getting this, right? Finally, we're actually getting a stable version of the One UI 4.0, because the last version, although don't get me wrong, wasn't bad, it had some bugs and some glitches that needed to be fixed. And finally, it looks like they're going to be pushing this out. Now, at this moment in time, this is not being pushed out at this second. It's being globally pushed out. So you might not get this update for a couple days. So if you're watching this video right now and you're like, okay, let me go my Fold 3, where's the update? It might not come to you at this moment in time, but it will be over the next couple of days. So keep that in mind. Eventually, you can go over to settings, software update, download, and install, and you will be able to install the One UI 4.0 beta stabled edition. And you will also be able to get the December security patch, which is, again, bundled with this. So again, like I said, nice. Awesome. Finally, we're getting some information. Finally, we're getting some kind of update, and we're moving on from this, because can we be honest that, if you look at it on the other side with Microsoft, with their Android 11 on the Surface Duo 1, we have literally 3 days left now, and they still have not updated that at all. So good job on Samsung to keep us updated, to keep us informed of what's going on. But finally, we're getting some information. So guys, if you did enjoy this video, hit that like, comment down below. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.